let's see what we got going on. So this seems fair enough. This is very light. I believe it's heavy because of the weights and everything that's in it. Plus my kids, they want to start working out. Going to the gym is good, but you know, it's also good to have a gym in your house. If you can have a gym in your house or your garage. If you're not the type that want cars in your garage, me, I love cars in my garage, you guys. So we got a basement and we can use the basement as a gym. All right, so right here we have this piece. Oh, so this is cool. This is just like the gym. It has like all the examples of how to do stuff. All right, so here y'all go. Just like the gym, you guys. It shows you what to do, gives you examples, and this is light. So that's the least of our worries. Yep, we know this is the seat. But you see two little pecs right there, right? I believe something was on there, but I'm not gonna cry about that, you guys. We're just gonna be sitting on it. Now, if it was ripped, yeah, I will have a problem. And plus, I don't think I'll be returning this. It's too heavy. All right, instructions. 2 booklets right here. This is the owner's manual. Okay, this one must be the install guide. Wow, wow, this is a lot. Man, all these little parts? You mean to tell me I gotta put this together from scratch? Oh man, this is an all-day job. Oh, you guys, this is an all-day job. I thought at least some of this would be hooked up. Wow. Let's go in the basement, put this thing together. You guys, the best thing about this product, and I wish all products did this, look how organized this is. It tells you the hardware number they want you to use. This is so organized, you guys. Oh, why can't all companies be like this? All right, you guys, so I'm looking for part 41. I found the 41s. I believe it's these two, you guys. These are the only 2 things that I found out this whole box that is identical to this stupid picture they have. How did I get myself involved in this? So I'm sliding the 41s down. All right, company, y'all could have labeled everything, all right? They gave us a whole bunch of hex keys. You see this? But I'm gonna use my Martisan set, you guys. I'm not gonna be here all day. All right, you guys, as per instructions, I will need 62 washer, 52 screws. Just look for the number. So I do have my DeWalt impact set, but I will have the setting on low. Put it on 2. There we go. Put it through the hole. It's tight enough. All right, you guys, step 1 is done. Step number 2. So we need that. This piece right here, in which they have, it's a 3 set piece, goes right in the back. We're gonna need 59, 62, and then 68. Step 2, part A is done. Now we gotta go to step 2, part B, which will be the bottom part of this. So it goes like that. So we got number 13, we need 21 and 44. These are not numbered, so these look like the end caps. So there's one with 3 pipes in here. Caps are hard to get on. So you gotta push tight, and that's it. Step 3, find a hole. All right, the screws is almost flat, so it stays in the square. Put the washers on. I might need a wrench on this one. Let's see. All right, what's next? All right, number 4. I'm gonna lift up. Step 5. Very intimidating. I got a problem. I installed this backwards. You guys. I gotta take this off, turn it around. Oh, great. But the other page. Oh no, I did do it backwards. All right, so this got to go upside down. All right, you guys. So here's the difference between 57 and 59. See how you got that little square part? This one is pure round. And the back, then front, back, out, right down. It's not numbered, but this is supposed to be number 20. And don't kick your drill. All right. Oh, and step 6 is it's going to be our big one. We have to get all the weights. All the weights are upstairs. Oh, can I skip step 6 right now? No, I need step 6 because we're closing in the gap. We're going to put all of the weights on. So we are going to put the cut part. This is the part I'm talking about. So we have a cut right here. So the recess parts, this part will be down. And 36. All right, you guys. So it says I'm supposed to have a total of 14 weights, and then we're supposed to add this one to the top for the cherry on top. So we're just gonna put the pin in. All right, you guys. I have to install the top piece right now on top, and what we're gonna do is right through the hole. Now it stays in place. Right back. This nut. I can tighten it up last. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the screws on. All right, you guys. Next, we're gonna put 59, 62. Then we got our plate. So gotta put it through the hole and align it. So you gotta play with it. All right. Nice. Now we gotta put the washers on the bottom here. Put our nut on. Washer and then nut. All right. I need a ratchet for here because step 8. You want this side to face the front area. All right. So it's gonna go on just like this. As per instructions. Right here. Oh, okay. I see. I understand now. All right. Now, in order for me to tighten this, I'm just hoping if I tighten it, it should be able to move, right? The more you loosen this, the more it flings. So right now I have it tight and you see it stays in place. So I am not sure yet if I'm supposed to leave it loose or have it tight. So I'll figure that out later. That's something I can remember. On number 9, so you have 2 of these styles right here, right? The one you need is the smaller one because you see that? It fits. Once again, they don't have them numbered. So you have to look at the picture. You put this through, washer through the bolt, and then the nut. So let's go ahead, put that in. Right, foam is in. All right, so we're gonna put it inside. Just like that. And then you can see it right there. Put that in. Here's the parts I need. And we are gonna go ahead and put the right side on. I'm gonna lift this pin up. I believe the pin goes in there too. Pin is all the way down. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. I get it. I know I'm having too much fun, you guys. All right. Oh, when you put this on, then you can put it in front of you. Okay. Now, the issue is fitting it all the way through. You know, you go to the gym and you don't really pay attention to how this stuff is put together. Oh, I get it. I get it now. So when the pin is in, it goes up. And then when you take the pin out, it goes forward. Oh, okay. All right. All right. I get it now. I know. We're exercising, you guys. We're exercising the mind. No, It seems like a lot, but it's just so many numbers on one page. Now we're about to put the seat together. So now we need, I believe, 50 and 61. So we're going to put the seat together right now. Yeah. Now I think I gotta install the back, which gets different screws. All right, you guys. So the back only get 2 screws. Oh. All right, you guys. So we just left number 11. Now we're on number 12. Hopefully I installed this right. Ouch, 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 ouch. Playing around. That's what happens when you play around. Smash my hand. I don't want to tighten it too tight, you guys. I'm going to leave it like this for now. We need those leather pieces. All right, you guys. So it says put the pipes through these big holes right here. The one that have the leather around it, these paddings. It don't really matter which way. All right, you guys. So I need to put these swinging hardwares on the back of this. And 15 is putting this top plate on, this on as well. It don't say put it on, which is weird, but this is number 16. So we have to put number 16 on. Right. All right, you guys. So I only have 4 small screws and washers left. So this is kind of a no-brainer situation. We need number 19, which is a pole and a lot of holes in it. So from what I see, you have to have the pole up like this. You have the ball right here. So we're gonna put this in the weights, dead center of the weights. And for some reason, it's not going all the way in. All right, you guys, now we gotta put this thing in sequence. We're gonna go up through the middle of the first one, up through the first one, down through the second one. And then the third one is right here on the back side. You gotta come through and then come back up right here on the front. And then come back down on the back side where the weights are located. And I'll show you all the sequence when I'm done. And then we hook up. Well, not hook up yet, but it's supposed to screw inside of this. All right, I screwed it in just to pre-screw it. The next page is the intimidating page. Now we have to put the pulleys on. All right, so both sides pretty much look the same. So the first 2 on the top, the string is supposed to go on the top. On the instructions, it says this one goes on the top, and then the other pulley, it goes on top. So we're gonna put it 2 ace. This is on the side. All right. Oh, we go so flush, right? Wait, and I'm not gonna use the other, right? That's how now they saying one has to go on the bottom. This right now. Right now you got to go to 18B. All right, you guys. So this is all I put together. All right, I put all of this together. All right, I just have it stationary right now, but I got this part right there. All right, that's on the inside of the plate. So all right, I'm trying to do too much thinking right now. So this is supposed to go on top. Stay, don't move. 19 now. There's another one that looks like this, but it has a ball at the end. That's not the one. This is the one. All right. So we're gonna put that in there. Does it say where the bolt? I'll put the bolt in here. All right, now we are gonna go ahead and put this in there. Already put that wire through. There we go. Wire is already through. That way we don't have no problems. Again, the instructions, well, it says put it through, so, but it's no words on the instructions. All right, so when you lift up, it goes up. Okay. Need another, I'm gonna do the other pulleys. I gotta watch it bolt already. No screw, no bolt, and no, that's not work. I gotta keep it right there. This is a little tricky, guys. This one is a little tricky because you have to keep the wire on the wheel, and the wire on the wire. Oh, that's the wire on my foot. I'm sure it's not, yeah. Let me see if I can do. Hopefully the wire stays still this time. All right, there we go. Wire's underneath, right on the pulley. So we're gonna go with that. Okay. Now, the only thing I gotta do is hook this part up to this handle, and we should get to go as far as that goes. All right. Now I'm gonna take these later, guys. I'm not taking all the way. So I'm just gonna put this through. All right. This one is not calling for washer. All right, so that's A, and that gets fed through there. Now we gotta put this pulley together. I'll use that. And I got this. All right. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put it through now. I don't want to forget. All right. Okay. Then washer. Give me a second, you guys. So on the other side, there's a little tiny piece of metal like poking. Like they didn't make it a full circle, so I can't stick it in like that. It's being blocked. All right, you guys, so you can see what I'm talking about. You see this little lip right here? That is stopping this from going in. All right. So let me see if this will work. I got a little metal blade. Yeah, it chipped off. Oh, I'm not going to touch that. I'll get cut. Now it goes on. All right. Should I knock it down a star because of that, you guys? Not everybody has one of these in the house. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. I don't know why I'm so infatuated about this. Let me get the bar, put the bar together. I might put the installation video out separate, and then I'll do like an example of how everything works on another video, because this video is going to be long. Stay tuned. I will do another video of breaking everything down on all the exercises you can do for $350, you guys. I know y'all going to say, Planet Fitness is $10 a month. That's fine. Go to Planet Fitness, or you can just do it in the comfort of your own home. Maybe you work from home and, you know, when you break, you just want to come down and, you know, do some exercises or something. I don't know. But, you know, that's something that you have to decide on. If you, the person that want to go to the gym, you know, spend the membership, go to the gym and whatnot. Or if you want to just work out at home, there you go. $350, $400 if you want to get it regular price. I believe it should be $400. That's the last time I checked when I walked into Sam's Club the other day. So that will be it, you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.